Now, do you have any idea about music? Okay. Okay, Miss Sura.
Okay, so research is about investigating.
Anyone, do you have any idea? Miss Mira, do you have something to say? Wala po. That's all for today. Goodbye, class. Bye now. Bye. Ika, guys, katawa no. Eka, katawa naman na matagal man si Jezebel kasi ang gaya mga sa kabilang. Russell!
You know what, Joshua? Sarah together with her friends, they're talking about the friends of Now subject.
Good day. Have you heard my name?
Yes.
Hey, Sarah! Why are you talking behind my back?
No, we didn't do that.
No, you did! What's wrong with her? Stop! Both of you in the office, now!
A few minutes later.
What happened? Why are you fighting?
Ma'am, I heard Sarah together with her friends were talking about Joseph.
And what did you heard, Robert?
I've heard her name and you're talking about her.
And then?
That's what I heard. You're not bad-mouthing her.
Is it because that I did not answer for the recitation earlier? No, it's not like that. We're just complimenting you, but you didn't understand because I say it with my own language.
But Radha told me that you are talking behind my back and she just heard my name.
Then why didn't you ask me first before you attack me?
It's because I'm mad.
Okay, now, I think both of you misunderstood the side of Miss Sarah and Miss Miro. I think Miss Sarah just complimenting Miss Miro, but suddenly Miss Ragad said that they are talking behind your back. Yes, ma'am. Now apologize, Miss Sarah,